AI, your friendly neighborhood predictor. Imagine a crystal ball, but instead of showing the future, it tells you how long your new phone will last. That's kind of what AI does for materials. AI, or artificial intelligence, is like a really smart computer program. It learns from tons of information and uses that knowledge to make predictions. In simpler terms, AI is like a super-powered detective that can analyze clues about a material and tell you how long it will stay strong and functional. Think of it like baking a cake. You know that using fresh ingredients and following the recipe will probably result in a delicious cake. AI does the same thing, but with materials. It looks at things like what the material is made of, how it's made, and what environment it will be used in. By analyzing all these factors, AI can predict how long the material will last before it starts to wear out. It's like having a superpower that lets you see into the future of materials. This ability to predict material lifespan is a game changer for many industries and has the potential to make our lives easier, safer, and more efficient.
Seeing the future. How AI predicts lifespans. You might be wondering, how does AI actually predict how long a material will last? Well, it's all about patterns and data. Imagine you have a huge library of information about different materials, what they're made of, how they were made, and how long they lasted under different conditions. AI is like a speed reader that can go through this entire library in seconds. It analyzes all this information and starts to notice patterns. For example, it might learn that a certain type of plastic tends to become brittle and break down faster when exposed to sunlight. Or it might discover that using a specific coating on metal can significantly increase its resistance to rust. By recognizing these patterns, AI can then make predictions about the lifespan of new materials. It's like having a crystal ball that shows you how different factors affect a material's durability over time.
The tech behind the magic data is king. The real secret sauce behind AI's predictive powers is data, and lots of it.